Yun lang, okay rin sa amin na lagi nakakabulan mo namin. Marami pa kami kailangan kasi yun nga, kinuha si Anastasia for a major support role. Kumbaga, nag-aalay sa team namin na yung mga kulang namin siya yung nagtulungan. So hopefully, the chemistry is good kami.
Exactly, 20 points on 50 attacks, 7 blocks, 9 extra receptions, and 5 picks. So, what can you say about your first team up so far with Anastasia, and how things going for you after your first game?
I think the biggest thing that we can do right now is just support her. It's her first game here. Obviously, you know, she's really good. She knows what to do. So I think as our team goes on with her, it's just to build chemistry and just to support her in what role that she wants to take on. But you know, in terms of me, I just try to do what I can and figure out kind of what my role is from here on out.
Thank you, Sam. And to Anastasia, welcome to the Philippines. So, what can you say about your first game here? What can you say? Your performance?
I can say that I'm really participating. It was very difficult. It was first game, and it was another dream, a lot of people, and I think we'll be better and better and better next games.
Thank you. The floor is open.
Coach, siyempre yung pinakatapat nyo na alaro na nasa team. Tapos si Bella Belen yung probe nila. Kumbaga, talk about your preparation lang against Capital.
Nagulat kami with the report. Pero na-anticipate naman namin na tulad na ibang reports na ibang team, pwedeng bubuhatin in a way yung offense. Pero yun nga, nakita namin yung report, maraming bagay pa rin si dalawa, Bella and Leila. So, mas naging goal namin na mag-adjust kami with the report during the game, pero matry pa rin namin i-lessen yung dalawa. Pero makakaya lang namin isang season na sa isa lang.
Sabi, it's your first reinforced confidence in the PBA. So, how different has it been so far playing in PLDT with the new courts?
It's kind of weird because I've played with athletes like her but back home. So it's not so much weird, but it's just weird having a team full of local Filipinos and having one import. And seeing, you know, how we can defend that as a team and how we can use that to our advantage. So I think it's more so just having like just strategy-wise and adjustments. Coach has been really good with, you know, keeping our mind on the task and telling us kind of what to do and where to be. So kudos to you. I mean, aside from that, it's nice to have Anastasia obviously as a supporter. I just hopefully that we can win more.
Coach, your next match is against Chocomucho on Thursday. So, what we can expect from you guys, especially now that Anastasia has adopted your system.
Yun nga, medyo happy na kami na nakakaroon ng game. Pero ang mindset namin, every game talaga magiging effective with the things na pag-aaral namin sa susunod pa. So, okay na yung panalo ng game, kailangan na focus sa for the next game.
And Sabi, now that the first game, the confidence now work, now what's the mindset right now?
I think I had a lot of errors this game. I mean, it's the first game of the year, so hopefully my errors go down and my percentage kind of goes up as time goes on.
Thank you. And to Anastasia, 15 points by the way. So, what we can expect from you in the next matches? What we can expect from you?